So dear students, let's look into the types of preposition. These are divided in three types depending on three situations. Which they are? Let's discuss them one by one. When the event or thing happened, clear? Second situation is where the event or thing occurred. And the third situation is in which direction the event or thing is happening. Clear? In the first situation, the preposition that describe when the thing or event happened are described, are defined as preposition of time. As preposition of time. Clear? For example, on, in, at, before, after, etc. Clear? All these prepositions are related to preposition of time. Clear? And the prepositions that describe where the thing or action occurred are coined as preposition of place. Preposition of place. For example, in, on, at, above, below, under, etc. You might be thinking that in, on, at are also preposition of time, but they are used in different way in sentences. Clear? We shall discuss all these in sentences. Now the third situation is in which direction the preposition that describes in which direction the event or thing are going to happen are coined, are defined, are described as preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. For example, to, into, from, etc. are related to preposition of direction. We shall discuss them by solving examples. So dear students, let's understand all the types of preposition through all these sentences. In the first sentence you can see, my birthday falls in April. In, you can see here, clear, in is a preposition and telling and giving the answer of when. When does my birthday fall? In April. It means that in this sentence, in is used as a preposition of time. Clear? Preposition of time. In the second, your vacation ends on April. When does your vacation end? On Monday. On Monday. Now, on is used here to give answer of when. It means that on is used here as a preposition of time. In the next sentence, he scolded me before my father. He scolded me. When did he scold you? Before my father. When? It means that my father was there, you scolded me. Understand? Before. Before we can use in two parts of speech. Now here before is used as a preposition and showing preposition of time. Understand? In the next sentence, it gets cold at night. When does it get cold? At night, showing the time. That's why in this sentence, at is used to show preposition of time. Clear? In the fifth sentence, you can see at is also used here. You all are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, now try to understand the difference between sentence number 4 and sentence number 5. Here at is used to show preposition of time. This category is this type of related to preposition of time. But in sentence number 5, at is giving answer to the question where. We all are fit and fine. Where are you fit and fine? At your home. Giving answer to the question where. It means that this preposition here is used to show preposition of place. Preposition of place. Understand? Next sentence. The books are on the table. Where are the books? On the table. Showing place. Preposition of place is used. On is used to show preposition of place. Clear? Next one is, the plane is just below the cloud. Just below. Where is the plane? Below the cloud. Showing preposition of place. Preposition of place. Understand? Next one is, we went to London last year. We went to. You can see preposition to is here and showing the direction. We went to where? London. Showing the direction. It means that you are at Panipat. Clear? Now at this time you are at Panipat, but last year you are where? You are in London. Clear? Showing your direction, showing your movement from one place to another. It means that to is used here to show preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. Next one is, he went up the hill. He went up the hill. He went up the hill. It means that this is hill. Clear? And you are here. Clear? You are here and you went up, showing your direction. Showing your direction. It means that this preposition up is used here to show preposition of direction. Clear? Last one is, he jumped into the river. He jumped into the river. This is river. Clear? River, it may be pond, it may be. Clear? Now the word river is used. That's why we will use here what? River. This is river and you are standing here. Clear? You are standing here and you jumped into the river. Now you jumped into the river. You are here, showing your direction from here to there. Clear? So that's why here into is used to show preposition of direction. Clear? I hope you all have understood the types of preposition. We shall discuss them one by one in next video. Thank you. Have a good day.